The JWBS-14SFX JWBS-14SFX Steel Bandsaw is a powerhouse that redefines the standards of functionality and affordability in its class. With a generous 360 square inch cast iron worktable and an impressive 13-inch resaw capacity, it opens doors to more ambitious woodworking projects. Its heavy-duty design, featuring large cast wheels, ensures a smooth and controlled cutting experience. One standout feature is its efficient dust collection system, boasting dual 4-inch dust ports to keep your workspace clean and safe. Accuracy is paramount with a larger machined aluminum fence surface, complete with easily visible measurements for precise cuts. The inclusion of a blade tensioning wheel on top of the saw enhances workpiece clearance, making adjustments a breeze. Durability is a key focus, evident in the robust stamped steel doors with welded steel pin hinges. The heavy-duty tubular steel welded construction and sturdy base provide stability and reliability, particularly when handling larger workpieces. The bandsaw offers premium features typically found in higher-end models, ensuring superior performance for a variety of woodworking tasks. Upon receiving the bandsaw, I was impressed by its updated features, including tool-less guide adjusters, addressing previous concerns I had encountered during research. Setup, albeit somewhat challenging due to its weight, was manageable, and within a few hours, I had the machine operational. Initial tests yielded excellent results, with smooth and precise cuts. The tool-less adjusters on the blade guides, coupled with dual bearings, offer convenience and stability during operation. The flat, square, and heavy table adjusts effortlessly, providing versatility for different cutting positions. Additionally, pairing the saw with a suitable base, such as the Grizzly Bear Crawler, further enhances its stability and performance. In terms of performance, the bandsaw excels. Its powerful motor, reminiscent of a 220 connection, effortlessly handles various cutting tasks. Blade changes are straightforward, and despite its limitation to a 3/4-inch blade, it excels at resawing tasks, effortlessly slicing through sizable boards. In essence, the JWBS-14400K JWBS-14SFX Steel Bandsaw offers an exceptional blend of performance, durability, and ease of use. From its solid construction to its precise cutting capabilities, it's a worthwhile investment for woodworking enthusiasts seeking a reliable and efficient bandsaw for their workshop.